Welcome to SBN ASTRO VASTU. Today, we look at a powerful force in Vedic astrology, the planet Kuja, better known as Mars. In a healthy astrological state, Mars acts as the biological engine of the human body, governing physical energy, blood vitality, and immunity. Beyond the body, it also anchors our material stability, specifically our connection to land, property, and the foundational bonds of marriage. This is a North Indian Vedic birth chart. When Mars is weakly positioned or boxed in by inauspicious alignments, it triggers Kuja Dosha. The engine breaks down. Mars's heat spills outward, turning into a destructive, chaotic force inside the body. When the Kuja engine misaligns, it manifests as a sequence of unexplained physical exhaustion, sudden severe illness, and erratic behavior. When cosmic chaos translates into physical disease, it starts with the body's primary transportation network, the bloodstream. An afflicted Mars directly disrupts the blood. This leads to severe anemia, extreme blood pressure fluctuations, and dangerous anomalies where the blood clots too easily. Once the bloodstream is compromised, the dosha targets the structural framework, specifically the bone marrow and deep foundational tissues. Looking at this abstract cross-section of the body, we can see the circulatory system and bone marrow light up in a stark warning color. This internal heat drives structural diseases, forming kidney stones, aggravating piles, and triggering chronic muscle pain. Kuja Dosha mounts a systemic attack from the inside out. It turns the vital support networks of blood and bone into an internal battleground. The body can only hold so much corrupted internal heat before it forces its way to the surface. Dermatologically, this manifests as painful eruptions of severe acne, boils, and sudden intense physical allergies. The damage extends beyond the physical tissue. When this raw Mars energy lacks a healthy outlet, it severely disrupts the mind. This swirling red storm represents the psychological state under Kuja Dosha. It breeds extreme, uncontrollable anger, highly impulsive behavior, and crushing mental stress. At its absolute peak, this unchecked energy spills into the physical world, drastically increasing your vulnerability to sudden accidents, severe injuries, and the sudden need for operations and surgeries. The dosha strips away your natural biological protections, making the body a magnet for both intense internal inflammation and sudden external trauma. This chaotic energy is dangerous, but can be cooled, channeled, and neutralized through precise Vedic remedies. The primary spiritual protocol focuses on Tuesdays, dedicating this day to worshipping Subrahmanya Swamy, also known as Kartikeya, and chanting the Hanuman Chalisa directly soothes the aggressive planetary influence. This ancient manuscript displays the seed mantra Om Ram Namah. Chanting this daily targets the blockages we've discussed, cooling the energy to stabilize physical health, clear paths toward marriage, and resolve long-standing disputes over land. Lifestyle adjustments pull this energy back into balance. Fasting on Tuesdays, eating sattvic pigeon peas, and donating red items, or even donating blood, helps bleed off the excess Mars heat. Because Mars governs sibling relationships in Vedic astrology, there is a unique karmic requirement. You must actively work to respect and maintain harmony with your brothers and sisters to strengthen Kuja's positive influence. These practices act as highly specific mechanisms to systematically cool and redirect a volatile planetary force. For severe cases, texts outline a specific physical extraction ritual. It requires combining 3 handfuls of pigeon peas, turmeric, and kumkum. You tie these ingredients securely in a red cloth. This bundle is rotated 7 times over the patient to physically absorb the negative energy. To remove the dosha from the patient's orbit permanently, this bundle must be left at a south-facing 3-way intersection. While Vedic astrology treats the karmic root of a disease, modern medicine is required to treat the physical symptom. Alongside these rituals, anyone facing severe blood issues or requiring surgery must consult the health department or qualified medical professionals for proper clinical treatment. If you want to dive deeper into astrology or need your birth chart analyzed, reach out to SBN ASTRO VASTU using the numbers on screen. True healing from Kuja Dosha demands a dual path, aligning your cosmic energy through ancient Vedic tradition while diligently repairing your physical body through modern science.